Okay, let's check out this house. All done now. Every inch of this house is clean, and I mean every inch. From the roof down. Okay, windows, soffit, fascia, gutter, pool deck. Okay, furniture, outdoor patio. I mean everything. The overhang, drip edge. Look at the color in this pool deck now that it's all clean. It looks really, really nice. Remember all that mold and mildew that was here? It's all gone. Check it out. All right, nice and clean. No dirt in your pool. All right. 561-907-9541. Like I said, we cleaned all the furniture. We cleaned all this over here, all the coping. All this was pure black.